Hello and welcome to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a 3-ingredient sausage dip. That's right, just 3 ingredients. It's super simple, comes together real quick, and it makes a great appetizer. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started in the video. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using. 1 pound of sausage, 1 can of Rotel, I'm using the generic which says diced tomatoes with green chilies, and 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. For my first step, I'm going to place my skillet on my burner and allow this to come up to heat. Now you'll want to probably fry this at about a medium to medium high heat, and I'm just going to fry that sausage until it's completely cooked through and no longer pink. Once it gets finished cooking, then I'm going to remove it and drain the grease off and return the sausage back to the pan. Okay, now I have my sausage cooked through, so for my next step, I'm going to add my can of Rotel. Now I'm not going to drain that, I'm just going to put the whole can in there. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And next I'm going to add my block of cream cheese. And I've broken it up into smaller pieces to make it easier to melt in the sausage mixture. So I'm going to allow this to continue to cook, and I'm going to stir it from time to time, and once all that cream cheese is melted thoroughly and it's all mixed really well, it's done and it's ready to go. Okay, my cream cheese is thoroughly melted and the sausage mixture is well combined. So from this point, it's done and it's ready to be put over into a dish. Now I like to serve mine with tortilla chips. You can also use Fritos or those tortilla scoops. Those work nicely. But from here, I'm just going to put this over in my casserole dish and we'll be good to go. Another thing I like to do is double this recipe, and once it's cooked all the way through, I like to put it over in my crock pot and put my crock pot setting to warm, and that will keep the dip nice and warm for people to come and go as they want and serve themselves. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and until next time guys, bye.